What is the nickname of Bengaluru in Karnataka? Silicon Valley of India, Space City, Science City of India, Garden City of India. What is the nickname of Bhagalpur in Bihar? Silk City. What is the nickname of Chennai in Tamil Nadu? Detroit of Asia, Automobile Capital of India, Gateway of South India, India's Health Capital, Electronic Manufacturing Hub in India, Banking Capital of India. What is the nickname of Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu? Manchester of South India. What is the nickname of Dibrugarh in Assam? Tea City of India. What is the nickname of Hyderabad in Telangana? City of Pearls. What is the nickname of Jaipur in Rajasthan? Pink City. What is the nickname of Jamshedpur in Jharkhand? Steel City of India. What is the nickname of Kolkata in West Bengal? City of Joy. What is the nickname of Kolhapur in Maharashtra? City of Wrestlers. What is the nickname of Kollam in Kerala? Cashew capital of the world. What is the nickname of Kochi in Kerala? Queen of Arabian Sea. What is the nickname of Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh? The Gateway of Rayalaseems. What is the nickname of Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh? City of Nawab. What is the nickname of Madurai in Tamil Nadu? City of Festivals, Temple City, Athens of the East. What is the nickname of Mangalore in Karnataka? Cradle of Indian Banking, Gateway of Karnataka, Rome of the East, Petrochemical Capital of South India, Ice Cream Capital of India, Jewel of the West Coast, City of Cusinas. What is the nickname of Mumbai in Maharashtra? City of Seven Islands, Gateway of India, Hollywood of India, Maximum City. What is the nickname of Mussoorie in Uttarakhand? Queen of the Mountains. What is the nickname of Muzaffarpur in Bihar? The land of lychee. What is the nickname of Nagpur in Maharashtra? Orange City, Tiger Capital. What is the nickname of Akola in Maharashtra? The Cotton City. What is the nickname of Patiala in Punjab? Royal City. What is the nickname of Panipat in Haryana? City of Weavers. What is the nickname of Pondicherry in Puducherry, Paris of the East? What is the nickname of Pune in Maharashtra? Oxford of the East, Queen of Deccan. What is the nickname of Siliguri in West Bengal? Gateway to the Doors. What is the nickname of Surat in Gujarat? Diamond City. What is the nickname of Tezpur in Assam? City of Blood. What is the nickname of Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu? Oxford City of South India, Halwa City of India, City of Paddy Fields. What is the nickname of Thoothukudi in Tamil Nadu? Pearl City. What is the nickname of Udaipur in Rajasthan? White City, City of Lakes, Venice of the East. What is the nickname of Trivandrum in Kerala? Evergreen City of India. What is the nickname of Vadodara in Gujarat? Banyan City. Cultural capital of Gujarat or Sanskrit Nagari. Power equipment manufacturing hub of India. Pensinus City.